Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study social studies class 5 chapter number 16 human rights. Today we will do its exercise. It is page number 131. Let's start. Question number 1. Why is it important to protect human rights? And its answer is it is important to protect human rights because these rights protect basic human needs such as liberty, food, shelter, etc. Next is question number 2. What interest did Martin Luther King share with Nelson Mandela's? And the answer of question number 2 is Nelson, Nelson Mandela fought for the rights of black people in South Africa, and Martin Luther King fought for the rights of African Americans. This is the answer of question number 2. Question number 3. How does the Adhi Foundation help the poor in Pakistan? And its answer is find out more about Adhi's service to the people. And its answer is the Adhi Foundation help the poor people in Pakistan, give shelter to homeless women and children. Number 2. Provide ambulance service. Number 3. Give medical treatment to the poor. And number 4. Help during natural disasters. This is the answer of question number 3. Next, question number 4. Which organization passed the International Law for Human Rights? Give the complete name. And its answer is United Nations Organization, UNO, passed the International Law for Human Rights in December 1948. Next, question number 5. How can we help those who are weak or poor? And its answer is we can help the weak and poor by giving them money, food, and other essential things. This is the answer of question number 5. Next is a word page. Number A is write the full names of this organization. First is United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. United Nations High Commissioners for Refugees. Next, Human Rights Commission of Pakistan. Next, Human Rights Education Program. Number 4, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Question number B. Complete the following sentences. CRC stands for Convention for the Rights of Children. Next is Abdul Sar Adhi was given the Ramon Magsaysay Award for his service to the needy. Next is Mother Teresa served the poor people of Kolkata. Number 4. TCF stands for the Citizen Foundation and it provides good quality education. Number 5. The Orangi pilot project was set up by Dr. Akhtar Hamid Khan. This is the blank of the question number 5. Today we have completed this chapter. Allah Hafiz.